import an image in SolidWorks, because many times we required image to create a 3D model in SolidWorks. So we took this blueprint from the internet and we divide it into 4 parts, and now here we will set this all the front view, right view and left hand side view, or you can say top view on a particular plane. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. Just import how to import image in SolidWorks. Let's start here. Suppose if you want to bring any image from the your file store. So let's see. First create one plane sketch. Now here we want to import an image in SolidWorks in one plane. So first make sure go to auto trace. We already seen. Just go to tools, and here you will find sketch tools. Come down, sketch picture, car, and I already took some blueprints from the internet. I will bring this images here. So let's choose our first front plane. Okay, now you can see the front view. Now you can adjust this picture by dragging it, or you can adjust from your right hand side view. You can just put the dimension X, Y, Z and angle. I'll try to fix in the mid of this, just below the logo. Look, it should be just below the logo, or select here. Okay, now exit. Now the front, we fixed here front image. Now let's make the other image. Which one? Let's see the right one. Right, sketch, insert tool, sketch tool, sketch. Now choose your right. Now you can see, select position, and let's fix it. This is our image point. So just keep at the end of, or at the start of vehicle point. That's it. Okay, now exit. Now see, this is what we fixed here. Now choose top plane, sketch, and again choose import image, insert sketch tool, and find out here our third top image. Now see the top image, it is not in perfect angle, so choose here angle, let's say 90 degrees. Okay, now that's it. Choose normal position, and here you will find out the top position. So just drag it, just touch the center point, center of logo, and just start point of the vehicle. Okay, now see front, top and right hand side. Now let's make it left backside view. So how we will do the backside view? We need to create a plane, the backside. Choose your front plane, and let's exit front plane and choose the plane. Take it back as long as let's take the position. That's it. We want to make image plane at the end of this vehicle, so let's reduce 800 is 900, 920, 910, 920, 912 or let's say 930. That's fine. Okay. Now select this image, sketch, and import our fourth sketch backside. Now you can see, just take it normal position. Okay, that's fine. Now drag it and just take down the below of the logo. That's it. Okay. Now see, we fixed here all four geometry. Now we can't see the back side of image because just because of image transparent. So select every image, double click, user define, select here transparent color, pick this color, white color, and choose matching tolerance 1 and transparency 0, or transparency also 1. Okay. Now let's choose this right plane, double click, user define, pick the color white, matching tolerance, and transparency also we will keep full, 100%. Okay. Now see, the same we have to do for the top plane. Okay. Now the last one is back side view, user define, white background, tolerance, transparency. Okay. Now just hide this plane. Now that's it. This is what we. Now you can see your drawing. See, front view. Select your right hand side view. If you like top view, just select top view. This is your top view. So we will see how you can see here how to import any image in SolidWorks, because sometimes we need images to create our 3D model. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like.